Hi, welcome back to another session of Anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create amazing splash text in Photoshop. In previous series, we have already seen how to create a splash effect on images, but in this session, we are going to learn how to generate a splash effect on text and how to achieve so much wonderful text effects in Photoshop. And we will quickly see how to convert this to this. This is really amazing technique. Using this technique, you can just generate amazing effects on any kind of poster, any kind of display pictures, wherever you want. There is n number of possibilities. So let's jump into Photoshop and quickly learn about it. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhavsha from Anubhavshaphotography. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the new document. So we are going to generate new document with width 1024 and height 1024 and resolution 150 or 140. That's it. Alright, so this is the new document and now we are going to fill it with some black color or any color you want. So I'm going to fill it with little black or dark green. We can change the color anytime whenever we want. So for the better start, we are starting with the black color. And then we will just select the text tool, horizontal type tool, and we will create a new layer. We will double click on it and we will convert it to the layer. And we'll call it text. We will call it BG background. Now on the text layer, we will start writing. And we can write any message we want. We will write peace. We will change the text color because it is not visible. So we will just quickly change it from here. We will make it white. And we will change the font to, so for this I'll use Bada Boom or I can use again TS. So for this we will use again TS and we will just make it regular and we will increase the size, make it on center, and we will decrease the spacing between the characters, and then we will just make another copy of it and we will write with it. We will drag it to the little bit here. Perfect. Once this is done, we will just select both the layers by holding Shift key and press Command or Control T to transform, and we will adjust it as per our requirement. And we can also drag it or change the shape and the orientation of the effect. Just right click on it and go to skew, and then by selecting any of the corner, just drag it anywhere. So it's fine, and I'll just make it little here. Just adjust the text as per your requirement. And after achieving it, just make another empty layer and just grab the pen tool and choose the shape. Make fill with the white again, the same white you have used here. Stroke empty, that's fine. And just zoom the document a bit and start making the effect a little bit more. So once you have achieved it, so there are approximately 10 shapes. Just select all the shapes by pressing Shift and make Command or Control G to make it in a group. We will call it pen strokes. And we will select the piece layer, which is the text, and we will double click on it and we will decrease the spacing between the letters. Make Ctrl 0 to fit to the screen. And quickly, once you are done, just go to brush and select the brush, any wet media brush, which are the default in Photoshop, or you can just go to ink drop, select it, just click here and there by adjusting the size of the brush and rotate it a bit by using this circular wheel. And once you are done with it, you have just got the results beautifully. So there you go. And don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Alright, so as we have seen that how to achieve splash text in Photoshop in very effective and easy way. So using this technique, you can really achieve wonderful results. And in case you find any difficulty using Photoshop or photography, you are most welcome to visit our website www.anubhavshaphotography.com, or you can just comment in comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for your lovely messages and suggestions through which we are able to generate these wonderful sessions for you. We will be back very soon with a fresh dedicated episode for your learning pleasure. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Photography, signing off.